If you have the equation x plus y equals 2, you can't find the exact value for x or y. You know, x could be 1 and y could be 1. X could be 3. Y could be -1. So you can't find a value. But if I have another equation, doesn't matter. If I had that equation, and it's got the same variables as the one above, if you put those together, you can solve for x and y. So I'm just trying to make a point before I work this problem. So let me erase that. So what I'm trying to find is the discount price at store M less than the discount price? So let's call that the discount price of store M. Is it less than the discount price of store L? All right. So let's look at clue 1. Clue 1 says at store L, the discount price of L is 10% less than the regular price. Well, the regular price will be the price at store L. And if you subtract off the discount amount, and the way you find the discount amount, you take how much the discount amount is times the price. And you could combine like terms if you wanted to. Okay, and so the next part of clue 1 is at store M, the discount price. Store M, the discount price is 15% less than the regular price. So the price at M minus 15% of the price at M. And we're trying to figure out, so we've got too many variables. We can't calculate what D sub M is and D sub L, okay, because we've got all these other variables. So clue 1 does not work by itself. Clue 2. Clue 2 says at store L, the discount price is 5 less than the regular price. So the regular price minus 5. At store M, the discount price at store M is $6 less than the regular price. So once again, you can't solve for D sub M and D sub L because you've got 1, 2, you've got D sub L, D sub M, P sub L, P sub M. You've got 4 variables into an equation, so you can't find D sub M and D sub L. So that doesn't work by itself. So what you do now is put the 2 together. And we're trying to find, is D sub M less than D sub L? So what you could do is take this equation, D sub L equals P sub L minus 0.10 times P sub L. And you could combine like terms and call that 0.9 P sub L. And put that equation with this equation, D sub L equals P sub L minus 5. So you've got these 2 equations, and how many variables do you have? You only have 2. So you could solve that and find D sub L. And then you could do the same thing by putting these 2 equations together. You could find D sub M because you'd only have 2 variables. So your answer is C.